I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking my.
What's up, YouTube? Got a cool little video today. Got this special GA100 Stash. For you guys that don't know, Stash is a graffiti artist based out of New York City. And he collaborated with G-Shock to produce this beautiful timepiece, this nice collaborative edition. The GA100 ST-2A. 2 is for blue, as you all know. This package, this watch has it all. I think they did a great job. It's a great tribute to artists all around. And let's take a look at it. Just so you know, in case you don't know, Stash is an artist, a graffiti mostly artist from New York. He is known from the art from the 1980s, but has been in the scene ever since. He's also done some work with like Futura. He's done work with Reebok, Nike, of course, Casio, Bathing Ape, and some other stuff. He's a graphic designer and he's well known in the industry. So let's take a look at what he helped produce and walk you through the box. So for starters, this watch comes in this nice little box, nice little pattern. You can see there, these are the different tips of your spray paint bottles. Nice little touch. Same with the inside. STASH Stash. G-Shock on the bottom. There's your model number. Okay, let's take a look at the watch. Now, the cool thing about this watch and the case is that it looks like a, drum roll please, spray can. Now, tell me that isn't raw. Yeah, I'm using the term raw today because I want it to cool. All right, here's the can itself. Once again, you got the tips of the spray can. G-Shock Resist, Brooklyn, Tokyo, Stash. On the back, this way, Stash, STASH, if I got that right. Or is it this way? Nope, I think I had it right. Stash, that way. Nice little freaking colorway here. Nice little design. I think you guys will love this one. I mean, they just went all out with all the details. Pop the cap, pop. There goes your spray can, right? Now, so where's the watch, you would say? Well, it's on the bottom here. You twist this open, and boom, voila. Inside lies your beautiful GA100. Like so, pull it out. Nothing else in there. You got your manual in here as well. Very good design. I think they thought about this very well. Nicely engineered. Comes in this little case holder, I would say. Your manual. And there's your watch. Let's pull that out. And let's take a look at the watch. Come on. There you have it. The GA100 Stash Edition. Very beautiful colors, blue, grays, and blacks working together to give you this nice graffiti-like pattern throughout the watch. Black or gray display with the blue accents, white hands, blue G-Shock protection. I mean, come on, tell me this isn't beautiful. It's really nice collaboration, guys. Very nice job. Excuse me. Look at that pattern. As for Stash on the bottom, on the back plate, you got your Stash graffiti logo with the brushed aluminum or stainless steel backplate, 5081 module, GA100 SD stash. Now the only thing this is missing, and that's only because it's a GA100, is a backlight. It doesn't have a custom backlight. It just has a regular standard backlight. But I think that it's still a beautiful watch. Give it some perspective here. There you have it. On the wrist, see how it looks. This is the DW6900 SN4, the sneaker edition 4 pink colorway. Very nice. There it's on the wrist. I think it looks beautiful. What do you guys think? Think Stash did a good job? I think so. There we go. Twist this down a little bit. Boom. What do you guys think? Tell me that isn't beautiful. Right? Pretty cool? Well, let's bring up special guest then and let's see what he thinks. Hey guys, look at all those cool details. I mean, the graffiti patterns all over the watch, it's badass. You should definitely consider getting it. Look at that. Look at that screen. Man, that's awesome. Alright guys, see you guys very soon. Till next time. Bye. All right. Hopefully that was fun for you guys. I thought I had a great time just experimenting with some green screen there. And we'll see you guys very soon. Until next time, I'm out of here with that stash. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my